Okay guys, so we had a nice little trade in GMCR. Christmas came early and it kind of works out well because we just put the Christmas tree up. Hi babe, as she's running out of the picture. So normally when your options go up 3,800%, I think I would go have a celebratory cocktail, but you know what? Let's do a GMCR coffee instead. That's gonna make for a nice week and end of the year.
All right, guys, so here was the setup in GMCR, and it's actually interesting. This isn't just a, here's what we did trade. It was, we did a call ladder, and it was interesting because it was against great Fib and Elliott wave support. It was a counter trend trade, and I'll show you the setup here. Okay, so actually we did a blog post. I kind of took you through this step by step, so we'll jump in there. And here we go. So this is the top to bottom. This is the monthly on GMCR. If you switch up to the log scale, you see actually we've been holding support around the $52 mark. Okay, so looking pretty good there. Then we jump down to the daily, and you see we actually have a really nice 5-wave completed move into Fib support. 618 retracement of the prior blue dot to blue dot swing, 5-wave move into Fib support, RSI divergence. It's looking like a good counter trend trade. So then we go down to the 3-hour. I was just looking for a little measured move on the way up, okay? But this is a highly counter trend trade, but it also had the possibility to really squeeze higher. So we did an interesting setup. We did a call ladder, okay? Basically what we did was we sold 52 half calls, bought the 55. That's a call credit spread, okay? That creates a credit. And the idea there is we're going to take that credit and use it to finance the purchase of an upside call, 57.5. And what I was looking to do is just get up into this measured move target of blue A versus C into 59, and that would have given us a decent little profit on it, right? So altogether, the sale of the 52 half, 55 call credit spread in the Dece monthlies used, that credit was used to finance the 57.5, which left us a net credit of 5 cents. So even if I was totally wrong, the stock dropped, we still would have made 5 cents in the trade. The point at which we get hurt was right around the 57 mark, right in this 55 to 56 area is when I would get hurt the most. And then there was the possibility, of course, that we would squeeze higher. So GMCR now, this was the setup. It was kind of taking a while to happen, and then we opened it $90 on the buyout. Okay, so stock's up 73%. So let me just show you. I'm actually going to close some of the trade out here. Let me come back. So we're up pretty good on the GMCR. We're up about 9,000 on the GMCR, and I just had three contracts on, so nothing huge. I was actually just a half size position to be straightforward. I wish we had the full size on. We did the GMCR just a half of a position, tier 3. Looking to add on the way up, and we didn't get the chance to add, but we still made about $9,000 on it, so pretty good. So altogether, here's the call credit spread: 52 half, 55 call. Yeah, I was thinking about keeping some of those 55 calls, but I'm going to keep some of the 57.5. So I'm going to close out this call credit spread, create closing order. We can buy that for $250. I'll just give them a couple pennies on the top side. So let's see if we can close that out. Filled, that's fine. And then we now have 3 of the 57.5. So delta of 272. I'll just keep token 1 and just see if it wants to keep going. But it's kind of hanging around 89.5. So I'll sell to mid price 32.10. Yeah, it looks like market makers are being a little grumpy. So I'm going to get down to 31.95. But altogether, guys, we did what? We bought these for 85 cents, the 57.5 calls. They're now trading at $32. So I think that's like 3,700% increase. So let's see if we can get out. There we go, finally out. All right, so I had to pay down 10, 20 cents. No big deal on a couple contracts. But altogether, nice little P&L to finish up a very strong year. And we like it. But you know what? That's a good setup. Coming from a wave 5 low, even minus a buyout. It's a pretty good feeling that we get up to at least the 59, but I'll take 90, 89 bucks. The other trade I want to update you on is the XLE position. I put this out on the free, this was the free video from November 24th on the XLE. we talked about the a sell pattern here in the XLE into this fib resistance zone. So we actually just booked profits on that as well. We had a downside 65.63 put spread, and that was the resistance level, and we just took max profits on that one as well with our research customers. So if you guys are following along in the free videos, you got that trade. So hope you enjoyed that one. If you guys do want more, be sure to check us out at tradinganalysis.com. And you could take a trial just below here in the orange. And in fact, I'll link you to the trial right there. This will bring you to the page, and a little welcome video there for you. You can go ahead and order it. All right, guys. Hope that helped. Nothing like making 3,700% in options. Pretty fun. So that makes a nice close to the year. And, back to hitting singles and doubles here with good Elliott and fib setups. And that's what we do. And sometimes you hit the home run. So hope that helps, guys. Have a great week. And let's look forward to a Fed meeting on the 16th. Go ahead and hit this the like button as well here if this did help, and help us rise up in the YouTube content. It's so fiercely competitive out there. So thanks again, guys, and talk to you next video.